Hello there, Internet and the rest of the world. You're here with Walk Around with Ralph again. We're here at the beautiful downtown 64 restaurant with my daughter in law enjoying this beautiful sunset. Uh, my son's up on the patio. Uh, this is a, a restaurant chain called 604. I've never been to one, but I've been here now. Down here at Ewa Beach, you get a beautiful view of the ocean and the sunset while we're doing this. It's kind of a really nice place. I'm gonna I got Bonnie out there doing my camera duties for me, and she's doing a good job. So we'll get her to go out here and get us a broader view here in a minute. But for right now, I just wanted you to take another look at this beautiful sunset over the ocean. That's the only thing I miss about one of the things I miss about going to sea is all the views of the sunsets and sunrises that came up. I got my daughter-in-law here. Bless her heart. This is Els, my son's wife. Uh, we'll get Bonnie to give us a broader view of this place. Come here, Bonnie. Okie dokie. Bonnie's going to go out and give us a little bit broader view of this and a better look at that beautiful sunset. With me and Els standing here on the fence line. I'll take the big drone out later and get us a better view of that ocean. Come back here, Bonnie. Okay, we're going to do an orbit. I'm going to do an orbit here so I can get a view of the entire 360 degrees. This is my new Hoover Air X Air Pro 1 Pro Max. Uh, Beautiful job. Come on back here, Bonnie.